Today we'll talk about how can you disable copy to try on your Whoscall app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is so you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to copy to call, just click in this sign or this color here, like you see color, it's going, that's mean copy to call disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.